how to use special occasion offers to build WhatsApp lead list for your D2C e-commerce business. If you are a D2C e-commerce business owner, then don't miss this WhatsApp lead generation strategy. This is a simple yet very powerful strategy which can help you save a ton of money during special occasions like Diwali, Christmas, New Year, Black Friday, or any such special occasions. Okay, so one side, it saves you time. Second, it makes sure that you get a bumper sale during these special occasions when people are in the buying mood. Okay, so we will be learning how to do this with the help of WhatsApp leads and WhatsApp broadcast. Okay, don't skip the video in between, so please watch it till the end. So without further ado, let's start the show. My name is Anthony and I'm the founder of Alpha Marketer. So today we're entering episode number 23 of the Conversational Marketing Show. This is your go-to show to become a conversational marketing expert and turn those conversations into conversions. So first, let's accept this. Okay, offers work. People love discounts on special occasions like Diwali, Christmas, New Year, Black Friday, because it is an occasion. The circumstances are such that people are open to make a purchase. Okay, now these offers always work. Okay, but there's a problem recently when there's a lot of online adoption and a lot of companies are coming online. Okay, now because of this, the ad cost are going up during this special occasions, whether it is Diwali, whether it is Black Friday. During this period, the ad cost on Facebook, Instagram and Google go up significantly. Okay, so let me explain the reason behind it. Okay, so first understand that in these ad platforms, okay, there are people like you and me who are the ones using these apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube, etc. Okay, now we are there, and on normal days, okay, advertisers will actually come and bid for the ad space. So it's an auction system. Okay, so we consume our content and in between we also see ads. And for this, the advertiser who is bidding the most will win the slot. But here is the interesting thing that happens during special occasions. Okay, during occasions like festivals like Diwali or Christmas or New Year or even like Black Friday, what happens? It is a good time to advertise. So a lot of offline shops also, offline stores also, they come online and advertise. Okay. And this is the time when very big marketplaces like Amazon and Flipkart are also willing to spend a premium to be in front of the target audience. Okay, so they come up during this time and they will be willing to bid very high. Okay, so you can see that now during these special occasions, okay, there are a lot more people bidding for the same ad space and they're also bidding high. Okay, now because of this, normal small companies, they will experience a sharp increase in the ad space. So how do we avoid spending extra money during this festival or special occasions? That's what we're going to discuss in today's video, and this we are going to do with the help of WhatsApp ads. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to run a waitlist campaign. Okay, so you will be running this with the help of Facebook click to WhatsApp ads. Okay, now the interesting thing is the timing here. Okay, so what you will do is you will not be running these ads during the occasion. Okay, because 99.9% of the advertisers are bidding 1 or 2 days before the actual occasion, and they might end the promotion campaign 1 or 2 days after the occasion. Okay, so what you will do is you will have to be smart and start bidding 10 days before the actual occasion. Okay, so in this example I have taken Black Friday. Now let's assume Black Friday happens on November 26th. Okay. So what we should do is we should run a Facebook click to WhatsApp ad 10 days before. So, starting from November 16th itself, you can run ads. In fact, if I am given a chance, I will run this ad from November 1st itself. Okay. So I will have enough time, and on November 1st or the first week of November, nobody is, actively running ads or spending a premium to build their, hype for the Black Friday. Okay, everybody wakes up only 1 or 2 days before the actual event. Okay, so at that time, early in the month of November, there will be less competition, so your ad cost will be less. Okay, that's step number 1. Now this is a unique ad type called the click to WhatsApp ad. So how do we run this special type of ad? Okay, this is the Facebook click to WhatsApp ad. Okay, so I have done a separate video, a step-by-step instruction video. You can check that link in the description. Okay, so in this ad, what is special is that Facebook lets you to advertise, and when people click on the button, okay, it will directly open your brand's WhatsApp. Okay, so the customer might have WhatsApp installed on their phone. When they click on this ad, the call to action button, it instantly opens up WhatsApp on their phone number with a pre-filled message. Okay, so in this case, we can give a pre-filled message saying that, hi, notify me when the Black Friday sale goes live. Okay, so when they start the conversation, you are capturing the customer's phone number. Okay, this is how you generate WhatsApp leads. Okay, you are building your WhatsApp list at scale. Okay, now when they do, they're also giving consent to you as a business to communicate back to them. Okay, so what we can do is we can send an automatic reply, an automatic response on WhatsApp, which the message can read something like this, saying that absolutely, and call out the customer's name. We've added you to the VIP notification list. Okay, so we are already telling them that they will get a notification. So we will say, watch out for our message on 25th of November at 8 p.m. for special early access. Okay, so you are clearly communicating that I'm going to message you, I'm going to send you a WhatsApp message on this day and on this time. Okay, so that's how you build anticipation. So this is an automatic and instant response. Okay, now to configure this, you need to create a WhatsApp automatic response or WhatsApp chatbot. Okay, now how to create a WhatsApp chatbot, I have done a separate video on this, a step-by-step instruction video. So please do check that video. The link will be in the description. So once you have built the chatbot and you're given the instant response to the potential customer, on the occasion day, so here November 26th is the sale, right? So that is the time when the ad cost will actually shoot up. So what you can do is, starting November 25th itself, you can stop all these promotion ads. You need not pay a premium during this period. Okay, instead on that day, you can send the WhatsApp broadcast message, because people have signed up for it. They have given their consent to receive the notification on the sale day. Okay, so on the sale day, what you can do is you can send a WhatsApp broadcast message with a nice image, video, text explaining the offer, and then there is a call to action link. You can see a button here. They click on the button and it opens up the website. Okay, so that's how powerful it is. WhatsApp generally has an open rate upwards of 95%. Okay, and people instantly open within 5 to 10 minutes of sending the message, close to 10 to 15% click-through rate. Okay, compared to email. So you might be wondering how to send this WhatsApp broadcast. Don't worry, I have done a separate step-by-step video on how to send broadcast message, basically a one-to-many message. So with the click of a button, you can send one message to thousands of people on WhatsApp. Okay, so the video link will be in the description. Do check that out. Okay, now to recap what all things we have done here. First, we run an ad, a waitlist, a join the waitlist ad on Facebook. Of course, Facebook means Facebook and Instagram. And people see the ad. So you are going to run this ad 10 days or 15 days ahead of this special occasion. and make people join your waitlist on WhatsApp. Okay, they click the ad, it opens WhatsApp directly. One click, they join the waitlist, and then you will configure automatic response to convey that they have been added to the waitlist, and they can expect a message from you on the special occasion day. And lastly, on the special occasion day like Black Friday or Diwali or Christmas or New Year, you send a WhatsApp broadcast message and watch the cash registers ringing. This is how you sell like a boss. Okay, so to do all these things, all this automation, all this broadcasting and chatbots, you will require a WhatsApp marketing software. Okay, so I currently use a software called Vati. Okay, it's a simple, easy to use, no code WhatsApp marketing software. So if at all you're considering a WhatsApp marketing software for your business, then you can use my link.alphamarketer.in/Vati. When you use my link, you will get a 7-day free trial, so you can test drive the product, test the software, and if you're convinced, you can go ahead and buy the product. Okay, full disclaimer, this is an affiliate link, which means when you buy through this link, I might end up getting a small commission, but most important thing is this comes with no extra cost to you. So this acts as a small encouragement for me to keep creating videos like this to help entrepreneurs like you grow your business with WhatsApp marketing. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please do implement this particular strategy and let me know how it goes. I will be happy to read your comments. Please let me know the result of your experiment, and if you have any specific questions regarding WhatsApp marketing also, please leave them in the comment section. I'll be reading every single one of them and I will be personally replying to your questions. Okay, so just in case, if you need help in learning WhatsApp marketing, if you want to implement WhatsApp marketing for your e-commerce business, or if you are a e-commerce agency, if you're a marketing agency or a freelancer and you want to implement WhatsApp marketing for your clients, then what you can do is you can visit this link alphamarketer.in/chat and you can learn WhatsApp marketing from us. Okay, so when you visit this link alphamarketer.in/chat, you'll be welcomed by my WhatsApp chatbot, and it will guide you to the whole process as to how you can learn WhatsApp marketing from us. Okay, lastly, one small request, please do subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. It will greatly motivate me to keep creating such videos and help entrepreneurs like you grow your business. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.